The 1924 Bentley 3-liter is a beautiful car, veteran of many tours, Mozart tours, Holiday Motor Tour, Phil Riley engine rebuild, fettled, easy to drive, and ready to enjoy right now. Beautiful open touring coachwork in the style of Jarvis. It is absolutely a lovely car. It's beautiful. Of all these little details on tail lights, single rear mount spare. Look at that fender line. I love the fender line. It's just so good. And that classic Bentley radiator. Horns, four-wheel brakes, of course. Wow. Okay, here's how we start the 1924 Bentley. We push these guys in, and it's all warmed up, so we put the spark right about there. So it can be like that, and then way up on the firewall is the starter. And it fires right up. Let's take it for a spin, huh? Brakes out here, brake off. Day for a drive. This engine in 1924 was a spectacular high-performance piece of equipment. An engine just like it won Le Mans for Bentley in 1924. That was their first Bentley, or their first Bentley Le Mans win of 8 in total. So this started a great heritage of high-performance sports car racing. And this engine has been completely rebuilt by Phil Riley, and runs great, good power, and it's fun to drive. Here's the left side of the Bentley 3-liter. We'll note a second magneto mounted here to the left. There's the water pump up forward, and big exhaust manifold. Got the starter mounted there, external visible starter gear. Great looking engine. This is the housing for the dynamo drive. That would be the generator to us Yankees. But this is where the power gets sent to the generator from. Nicely presented, excellent condition. And with the top down, we can see the beautifully finished interior, bucket seats in leather. Absolutely high quality work throughout. All these details on this car. It's just a beautiful, totally operational, wonderful car. All right, here's a top-down walk around of the 3-liter 1924 Bentley. Done in the style of Jarvis. Beautiful work. Runs great. A wonderful